In Canada, whether you are staying in an apartment, condo unit or detached home, there are two common problems which you do not want to have. Number one is water leakage and number two is theft or robbery. How can you be proactive and have a solution which is scalable with future need and not cut into your pocket? Stay tuned as I will share you how you can secure your home as well as complete installation which you can do in less than 40 minutes. Hi friends, welcome to Canada Tried and Tested. My name is Gopi and I keep sharing such useful information which will make your life in Canada convenient. So, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do that and don't forget to leave your comment and like. So, without wasting time, let's get going. There are plethora of options online when it comes to finding security solution, but nothing comes close to YoLink, which is not just cost effective, versatile, as you can keep adding up to 300 devices as new requirement comes up, but also very user friendly. A complete one-stop solution as you can see on the website. I stay in a 2-bedroom condo unit which has one entry and exit, a kitchen, 2 bathroom which has water connection or source, and then there are area which I am calling as surprise where I do not want anyone else except the family member to go, and a device through which I can control remotely. So, I have ordered a hub which, as I said, can interact with 300 devices. One is enough, a door sensor, water sensor and motion sensor which will get connected to this hub and plug which I can control remotely. So, when you are planning your requirement, check what all you would need as a device and what are its usage. So, I ordered a hub which, as I said, can interact with 300 devices. One hub is enough. A door sensor, water sensor, 3 numbers, motion sensor which will get connected to this hub, and a plug which I can control remote. So, when you are planning your requirement, check what all you need and its usage. That will help you to right size as per your requirement. Now, coming to the order, I ordered this on Amazon and it was delivered well within the commitment date. No problem at all. Here I have displayed everything for you. Speaker hub, 3 water leakage sensors, plug mini, motion sensor and door sensor. Package is really nice and instructions are very easy. Here for speaker hub, it shows what's included, the quantity and what is required. Basically, to connect to this hub, you require a router, hotspot with internet connection and a Wi-Fi as well as YoLink app. I will make it simple. I have a Wi-Fi at home and I'm going to connect this hub to my Wi-Fi. Simple. On the other side, it shows the feature like voice and tone alert, audio device you can attach to Alexa or Google Mini. I don't have, by the way, and the range which is quite good. Each of the package has a mention of YoLink app. So, you will have to download the YoLink app and then QR code to scan the user guide. User guide what they have given with the kit is sufficient for you to go through, and when you open the hub, first thing you get is this quick setup guide. Then hub, USB cable and charge. All you need is to do this connection. The USB cable, one side goes to the charger and the other side goes to the hub. Coming to the plug mini, again it shows what's included. It requires hub as well as the app. Then the feature. Once you open, you have a quick setup guide and a plug. Motion sensor, this too shows what's included and it requires a hub as well as the app. Then what all features it has. Once you open, you have a quick setup guide and a motion sensor. Door sensors shows what's included and requires hub as well as YoLink app and what all features it has. Once you open, you have a quick setup guide and a door sensor as well as magnet. For water leakage sensor, package has instruction and requires hub as well as app, and then all the features what is given here. Once you open, you have a quick setup guide and a water leak sensor. This battery life is up to 5 years, which is really good. I did not find any as competitive as this when I was trying to find water leakage sensor, and this was one great thing because of which I went with YoLink. And if you don't have to change battery for long time, it's a convenient to have. So the first step is to download the manual for you to refer if required, and then next step is to download this YoLink app from Google Play Store. You can be on Android or iPhone, both have this option. Just enter YoLink and proceed to install. Now once the app is ready, let's get to the next step, and that is to QR scan the plug mini. Once the QR scan is done, enter the location where it is, just for your reference, and then place this plug mini to a plug point and press this button till it turns blue. Right now the app shows offline as I have not connected the hub to the Wi-Fi. So once that connection is done, this status will also change. Now coming to the hub, again scan it, plug to the hub socket. Once power button is on, press the set button and wait till Wi-Fi light glows. Now you come to your mobile, select the app, select the Wi-Fi, enter the password. The hub is all set to speak to the Wi-Fi as well as the other device. You can see this on the screen. Now it shows on. Okay. Now when it comes to water leakage sensor, what am I doing? For every single sensor, first I am scanning and adding that to the app, adding the name where it will go, and then just go and drop it. If I have named as kitchen, it goes to kitchen. If I am named as common bathroom, it goes to common bathroom, and if it is named as master bedroom bathroom, it goes there. That way I am not messing up. Now coming to the door sensor, the door sensor area needs to be cleaned first, and then make sure that the magnet and the door sensor is aligned and correct position, as you can see here. Once this has been done, press setup, scan the QR code on the sensor and set up on YoLink app. Now the last setup is motion sensor. This is the battery which will need replacement, and just set up the motion sensor and that's it. The installation is done. Now all your devices are linked to the hub and is online as the screen. Now let's look at the app. You can trigger alert, you can set up conditions, and like you see, when I open the door, I get a alert notification immediate. When I come into vicinity of motion sensor, I'm getting an alert, and I can be anywhere and get this email alert as long as my Wi-Fi is on, and all that is I need. I have not installed any siren at home, as I can always seek help of condo security in case of incident. So to get all of this, how much will it cost? Let me show you the bill. There are no additional expenses. So isn't it worth? Hope you enjoyed today's video. I have organized everything on my website. If you find it difficult to see it on YouTube description. Thanks for watching Canada Tried and Tested.